Hi friends, welcome to this channel. Today we learn 10 GK about Public Service Commission. Let's start the questions. Question number 1. The annual report of UPSC is submitted to option A, the President, option B, the Supreme Court, option C, the Prime Minister, option D, the Chairman of Union Public Service Commission. Answer option A, the President. Question number 2. Which of the following has the powers to create a new All India service? Option A, Parliament, option B, Union Public Service Commission, option C, Union Cabinet, option D, Ministry of Personnel and Public Grievance and Pensions. Answer option A, Parliament. Question number 3. Which is not a central service? Option A, Indian Police Service, option B, Indian Foreign Service, option C, Indian Audit and Account Service, option D, Indian Revenue Service. Answer option A, Indian Police Service. Question number 4. Who appoints the Union Public Service Commission? Option A, Parliament, option B, President, option C, Chief Justice of India, option D, Selection Committee. Answer option B, President. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not an All India service? Option A, Indian Administrative Service, option B, Indian Police Service, option C, Indian Forest Service, option D, Indian Economic Service. Answer option D, Indian Economic Service. Question number 6. By which act was the Public Service Commission established for the first time in India? Option A, Indian Council Act 1892, option B, Indian Council Act 1909, option C, Government of India Act 1919, option D, Government of India Act 1935. Answer option C, Government of India Act 1919. Question number 7. The expense of Public Service Commission of a state are just upon option A, Consolidated Fund of India, option B, Consolidated Fund of State, option C, its own generated fund from fees, option D, Contingency Fund. Answer option B, Consolidated Fund of State. Question number 8. Which of the following is correct about Union Public Service Commission of India? Option A, it inspects the State Public Service Commission. Option B, it has nothing to do with the State Public Service Commission. Option C, all its members are taken from State Public Service Commission. Option D, it sends annual guidelines to State Public Service Commission. Answer option B, it has nothing to do with the State Public Service Commission. Question number 9. Nowadays, the Election Commission of India use EVM during the general election in the country. What is the full form of EVM? Option A, Electronic Voting Machine, option B, Election Validation Machine, option C, Electronic Validation Management, option D, Early Voting Management. Answer option A, Electronic Voting Machine. Question number 10. NRI, Non-Resident Indian Day is observed on which of the following days? Option A, 9th January, option B, 9th February, Option C 19th February. Option D 9th March. Answer option A 9th January. Thank you for watching this video.